Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Bigo Live. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bigo Live account by clicking on the app itself. So once you tap on the app, you will have this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the sign in with phone option. After you tap on it, you need to now type in the password of your account which you had created previously. So once you type it in, you need to hit the login button, and after a matter of seconds you will get logged in into your account. So you can simply go and check that you are logged in, and now you can serve your Bigo Live account as much as you want as per your liking. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.